Welcome to a full unboxing and review of another Keego product. This time, we are taking a look at the No Drill, Blackout, Motorized, Top-Down Bottom-Up, Honeycomb Cellular Shades. Needless to say, that product description is quite a mouthful, but it is because this shade is packed with features. We ordered two identical shades from Keego, as we have a two-window setup that would use identical shades. As we crack open the box, we see everything is nicely packaged, with the shades enclosed in a protective bubble wrap. We were particularly excited about these, because we have not found many motorized shades, with both top-down and bottom-up functionality. Included in the box with the shades, we found a generic instruction manual that provided a quick start guide on how to install the shades, along with the package contents to expect. As it was a universal booklet, it had the install instructions for all of the shades you can order from Keego. As mentioned, we purchased the No Drill, Blackout, Motorized, Top-Down Bottom-Up, Honeycomb Cellular Shades. Although the product name on the website includes the word Blackout, you actually have a choice when ordering. You can choose either Blackout or Light Filtering. The Blackout provides 95 to 100% privacy, whereas the light filtering provides about 60 to 70%. The model we are looking at today is the light filtering version, which is ideal for spaces where you want to maintain a soft glow without losing your view entirely or living in total darkness during the day. First out of the box is the remote control. Since we ordered two shades, we also ordered the 15-channel remote, so we can control both of them with a single remote. Inside the box, there is the remote itself, and a plastic wall mount that has a magnet that sticks to the remote. This mount can be placed on a wall to hold the remote close to the shades for easy access. A small Ziploc bag contains some tools and accessories for the remote. It includes two 3M adhesive pads that attach to the back of the remote mount, allowing you to easily stick it on any surface. There is also a small screwdriver and a tiny screw to secure the battery cover onto the back of the remote. It is pretty small, so make sure you don't lose it. The next bag contains the accessories and tools for the shade itself. Pulling it out, we find a few things. You get a long USB-A to USB-C charging cable. At roughly 10 feet long, it easily reaches the shades when mounted. Next, there is a small cover for a slot in the shade. And then a small hex screwdriver used to tighten the shade mount once in place. Finally, there is a quick start guide for the specific shades we ordered. Opening it up, we find product diagrams on one side, and on the other side, it shows you how to program and then use the remote control. Moving on to the shades themselves, we'll unwrap them from the protective bubble wrap and take a closer look. They feel weighty and solid, a quality build, even for a product meant to be held up solely by tension. It has clean lines, and turning it so you can see the top, we find the motor and battery systems, along with an antenna wire. An large arrow indicates the left side of the shade, ensuring you install it in the proper direction. The right side has the tension mount and USB charging connector. Now, before mounting, we'll make sure these shades are charged and pair them to the remote. To get ready for pairing, you first put the remote control in admin mode by ensuring the switch on the back is set to admin. Then, we slide the battery in the back. With the battery in, the display turns on. It is a 15-channel remote, so it can control up to 15 different shades. To charge the shades, merely plug them into a USB-C power source. The battery level LEDs will light up to show you the level of charge. The LEDs on this shade were hidden under a piece of tape. And we also noticed there was a power switch underneath that you have to turn to the on position for the shades to work. Since this shade was charged, we repeated the process on the second one. Turn the power switch on, and then we'll plug it in to see the battery level. We see that this shade was also pretty much fully charged, so now, we'll pair them to the remote. To pair the first shade, we start by checking the remote. And once confirmed it is on channel 1, we press the motor button for 2 seconds, and it rotates back and forth. Then, we press the S button on the back of the remote, for 2 seconds, and again, the motor rotates back and forth. And that completes the first pairing. We paired the second shade, using the same process, after changing the remote to channel 2. And after pairing both shades, it was time to mount them into the windows. And this is where these Keego shades really shine, especially for renters, or those who hate putting holes in their window trim. The no-drill design works on a tension principle, and to install them, you merely squeeze them into your window frame, and then let the spring-loaded tension mount expand, to hold the shade in place. It is that easy. Not only do you not have to drill or use mounting brackets, installation is a much faster process. Once the shade is positioned where you want it, you use the included hex screwdriver to tighten the mount by turning a screw inside a slot by the tension mount clockwise until it is tight. This expands the rail horizontally, locking it into the jamb of the window. It feels incredibly secure once tightened. Then, we cover the hole, using the included cover. Once everything was installed, the shades looked great. Moving on to setup, we ensure the switch in the remote is still in admin mode. Since this is the second shade, we are on channel 2. Clicking on the left down arrow inches the bottom rail, and clicking it again has it move down quicker. By toggling between these two modes, you can position the shade faster, or with more precision. We use the right down button to also move the top rail down. Although there was a bit of sticking of the honeycomb initially, don't worry, as the shade fabric quickly smoothed out after some use. As the shades reach the bottom, we use the left shade button to stop the bottom rail. Similarly, we use the right buttons to stop the top rail, once it also reaches the bottom. You can fine-tune the rails to get to where you want the lowest level for each to be. And once both are in the right place, we press and hold the down arrow on the back of the remote, until the motor rotates back and forth. That sets the lower limit for each of the rails. We follow the same process to set the upper limit, moving both of the rails to the top of the window. Again, once in position, we press and hold the up arrow on the back of the remote until the motor rotates back and forth. With the limits set, we now switch the remote to user mode, and now the buttons can be used to control the top and bottom rails of the shade. As you can see, being able to control both the top and bottom rail of this shade independently gives you an infinite number of positions. One of our favorite positions is just to have the top quarter of the shade open. This allows sunlight to come into the room, while preserving a level of privacy. The remote has the ability to set a favorite position, by pressing and holding both the up and down arrows on the back of the remote simultaneously, until the motor rotates back and forth. Also, with both shades programmed, changing the remote to channel 0 allows you to control both shades at the same time. We found this to be a great, luxury feature. Finally, to quickly go to your favorite position, you just press and hold either shade button until the shades start moving. The remote uses radio frequency as opposed to ultraviolet signal. This means you do not need a direct line of sight to the shades, so you can keep the remote in a side table, or mount it on a wall near the door, as opposed to having to be close to the shades. Overall, we found these motorized shades incredibly satisfying, creating a high-end, smart home feel, as we can control each individually, or in a synchronized pair. They have a professional and sleek aesthetic, with an installation process that anyone can handle. If you're looking for an upgrade that adds both value and comfort to your home, without the permanent commitment of screws and brackets, these are an excellent choice. We did get these units for free, in exchange for our honest review. We hope you found this video informative.